The Clarke CAG2350C professional quality 9-inch or 230mm angle grinder is ideal for serious DIY jobs in the home or workshop and can be used on numerous cutting and grinding tasks in metal and masonry. Supplied with both open and closed guards for cutting and grinding, the CAG2350C comes with a metal grinding disc that can also be fitted with many other useful discs and attachments, including diamond discs for tackling masonry and stonework and abrasive discs for sanding, plus much more, all of which are available from your local Clarke stockist. The CAG2350C has a removable side handle, which can be mounted either side, or even on top, ensuring maximum operator comfort, whatever the grinding angle. Disc changes are easy, using the spindle lock and supplied disc spanner. And the M14 threaded spindle accepts industry standard 22mm bore 9-inch discs and accessories. The powerful 2,350 watt motor has a soft start for safety and convenience and spins the discs at up to 11,000 RPM and of course features a safety switch. The CAG2350C professional quality 9-inch angle grinder will give you many years of great service.